Today I'm going to make some shelves for my bathroom using this new Makita router that I got for Christmas. I also bought these router bits off Amazon, so let's give this a try and make some shelves. So here I'm just unboxing it. I wanted to test it out a bunch before I used it. That's a corner round bit. That is the bit I went with for the final look of the shelves I'm making, but I did test out a few different ones just to see how it worked and how it looked. Here I am installing the bit into the router, making sure it's in and it's tight. And then I did a bunch of testing. This router also comes with this straight edge add-on here. So I did install this and I ended up using it for most of the project. It really helps keep the router straight while you're working with the wood. It uses the edge of the wood as a guide. And here is what that corner round bit looks like. I think it looks really cool. Very kind of fancy and sleek. And I think it's going to work great with the brackets we got. These are the brackets. They're supposed to be used with pre-made shelves. So the standard wood is a little bit too small or too big to fit on these brackets. So I had to cut down this wider wood that I had. And then I cut that down to 3-foot shelves, which is just the length that looked the best in the bathroom. And then I did a bunch of testing with staining this particular wood, and it seemed to work a lot better once it was sanded. So I sanded these down, then I used wood conditioner. I just followed the directions on the jars here. And then the next day I stained using just this stain from Lowe's. I'll link everything below so you know the color I used. But I just followed the directions on the can and I did 2 coats. Okay, so this is where the shelves are going, like above the toilet here. Just made some lines where I want them to go. I used my trusty stud finder, and right here there's a stud. So I'm going to try to get one of the brackets there, measured the same distance over from the end of the shelves, and I'm going to put drywall anchors here. And these are the brackets. We got these at World Market. They're pretty cool. This part attaches to the shelf, this part to the wall, so it'll look like that. Pretty cool. And here is the finished product. I think they add a lot of character to the bathroom. This was so blank before. I love the finished look that the router provides. So I think I'm really going to get a lot of use out of this tool. So thanks for checking this video out. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.